Hello everyone, and welcome to Color Our World of Art! Let's best some F1 racers this week with home mini race cars. Gather your materials. First, let's draw an elongated semicircle on one side of the cardboard tube. Slice the curve open with a penknife. As the cardboard roll can be slippery, seek someone with more stable hands or an adult to do this. At the end, fold up the flap that you have cut out. Then paint your newly made car body green or any color you like. Next, paste 2 white strips on the back end of the car behind the flap. Then take 4 plastic bottle caps and glue the rims to the side of the car, 2 on each end. Get yourself some Hot Wheels! Lastly, write a number on a piece of paper and paste that onto the side of the car. That's it! Pop the toy figurines in and drive along with F1 racers! Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.